Your competitor is posting better content more often and spending half the time you do. They're not working harder. They're using AI. And if you don't catch up, you're going to disappear. Here's the truth most small business owners don't want to hear. The social media game changed, and it changed fast. Posting when you feel like it, guessing what your audience wants, throwing up a graphic with a motivational quote, that era is over. In 2026, the businesses winning on Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn are using AI-powered tools to move faster, post smarter, and connect deeper. And no, this isn't just for big brands with million-dollar budgets. This is for you. So what does AI actually do for your social media? Think of it like having a data analyst, a copywriter, and a strategist working on your brand around the clock without the payroll. AI tools can generate content ideas based on what your audience is already searching for. They write platform-specific captions that match your voice. They research hashtags and keywords gaining real traction in your niche. They segment your audience so you know exactly who responds to what. And they analyze performance, telling you what worked, what flopped, and why. But here's where it gets really interesting. Let me paint you a picture. Two coffee shops, same city, same quality product. Shop A posts once or twice a week whenever the owner remembers. No strategy, no data, no consistency. Shop B uses AI to plan a full content calendar, optimize posting times for when their local audience is most active, and A/B test captions to see what drives foot traffic. Within 90 days, Shop B has tripled their engagement and their weekend line is out the door. Shop A, still wondering why nobody's liking their posts. Same product, totally different result. Now let me be real with you. AI is not here to replace you. It's here to amplify you. Your story, your voice, your mission. That's what makes your brand irreplaceable. AI just handles the heavy lifting so you can focus on what actually matters, serving your customers and building real relationships. When you're not burning 3 hours figuring out what to post, you can spend that time doing what you were called to do. And honestly, this is a stewardship issue. Proverbs 21:5 in the Amplified says, "The plans of the diligent lead surely to abundance and advantage, but everyone who acts in haste comes surely to poverty." God gave you a business. He gave you a platform. Using the best tools available to steward that well, that's not cutting corners. That's wisdom. That's diligence, and diligence leads to abundance. Here's what you need to understand about the cost of waiting. Your competitors who adopt AI now will consistently outpublish you in volume and quality. Your organic reach will keep shrinking without a data-informed strategy. Their ad spend will stretch further because AI optimizes their targeting and creative in real time. And customer expectations for consistent, responsive branding are only going up. Every month you wait is market share you're handing to someone else. So what does this look like practically? At Crown Media Group, we built our entire agency around this. Discovery first. We learn your business, your audience, your goals before anything goes live. Then AI-assisted content creation where we generate frameworks and layer in your unique brand voice. Platform-specific optimization. Because what works on Instagram is not what works on LinkedIn. Real-time performance monitoring and transparent reporting so you always know what's working and why. It's enterprise-level strategy at a small business price point. Look, you didn't start your business to spend your life stressed about social media. You started it because you have something valuable to offer the world. AI is just the tool that helps you get that message in front of the right people at the right time without burning yourself out. That's the game now. And the ones who move, win. If you got value from this, here's what I want you to do. Go to crownmediagroup.co, book a free strategy session with our team. We'll look at your social media, show you exactly where AI can move the needle, and build you a plan that actually works. No fluff, no pressure, just real strategy for real business owners. crownmediagroup.co. Let's build something that lasts.